How to remove background noise on KineMaster. So if you want to remove background noise on a KineMaster application, then first you need to open up your KineMaster application. Once you've opened your KineMaster, now you need to simply go for home, which is on the bottom left, and then you can simply choose a video that you would like to edit. So for example, you can go for create, which is on the bottom middle, and then tap on create new, and you can import a video. Tap on import, which is on the upper right, and then tap on OK. So once you've choose the video, now you need to simply go for the upper right side, which has your options, right? So under your options, you need to simply scroll down, and here you may have an option of extract audio. Tap on extract audio and you will extract your audio, right? So once you've extracted your audio, now you need to go back and then choose your audio, and under your audio you need to simply choose the EQ option, and under EQ you will have bass booster, and you can simply choose the bass reducer, or you can choose all of these options. So once you've choose the options, now you can go back and you can simply tap on noise remover, and once you tap on noise remover, your noise will be reduced from your video on your KineMaster. So that's how you can remove your noise from your KineMaster video, or that's how you can remove your background noise on your KineMaster. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.